Write ink sound blending 1.
Let's start.
P-a-t, pat.
Again.
P-a-t. Repeat after me.
P-a-t, pat. Check it.
P-a-t, pat. You can pat a dog. S-it, sit. S-it, sit. Repeat.
S-it, sit. Should we check it?
S-it, sit. You can sit down. Man.
Man. Should we check it?
Man. And this is a man. Pan.
Pan.
Pan. This is a pan.
I cook in a pan.
Tap.
Tap. Tap. Should we check it?
Tap.
There's tap. There's a tap. The tap has running water.
Pin.
Pin. Should we check it?
Pin. This is a pin. Tip.
Tip.
Tip. Tip. This is a tip truck.
Map. Your turn.
Map.
Should we check?
Map. This is a map. Dig.
Dig. Let's dig.
Dig.
Oh, digging.
And this is a guy digging. Dog.
Dog.
Dog. And this is a dog. Pot.
Pot.
Pot. This is a plant pot. Mop.
Mop.
Mop. You can use this to clean the floors.
Mop. Great. Let's do a fast track. Let's do it as fast as we can. Start.
Pat. Sit. Man. Pan. Tap.
Oh.
Pin.
Oh, quickly.
Tip. Map. Dig. Dog. Pot. Mop.
Shall I try?
Yeah.
Pat. Sit. Man. Pan. Tap. Pin. Tip. Map. Dig. Dog. Pot. up, mop. And let's go slow.
At, pat.
Sit.
Ma, at, no, man.
Pan.
Tap.
Put in a pin.
Tip.
Map. Dig.
Dog. Pot.
Mop. Thank you for watching. Come back soon. We've got more blending books coming soon.
Bye.
And please subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much. Goodbye.